Do it. Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here at Bricks That Clicks along with Chris Clay. So we got another toy shipment and very exciting stuff. 11 pallets, which is freaking awesome. And we got crazy deals on these. $345 approximately per pallet is how we're gonna break it down. We're not really gonna go through prices in depth on these, but right now for customer returns, this stuff looks freaking amazing. I would say it's brand new stuff.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's overstock merchandise as opposed to customer return merchandise.
Yeah, so we're excited to get into it. We'll see what we find. Again, all toys, customer returns, but as I can see right now, it's looking like brand new.
Yeah, we got cases and stuff.
Spin Master. I got Bewitch.
I have Pimple Pete.
Pimple Pete.
So you can pop pimples.
So you can pop pimples. I like it.
That's disgusting.
Pop pimples like I pop dollars or pop bottles.
Oh.
Yeah, there it is.
Oh.
Dang.
Weak
Pop
sauce.
bottles. We pop bottles.
Weak sauce.
So I got these Bewitches in. Now these were like 30 bucks a piece online. We sent those already. And those last I checked were like 15 bucks a pop.
That's kind of disgusting.
Get it? 15 bucks a pop?
Yeah, I see what you did.
Yeah. That's pretty good, I thought. That was pretty good.
I like full cases because then there's no stickers on anything. I don't have to take
Yeah,
stickers.
typically you know it's new. My Little Ponies. Pretty cool stuff here.
Those didn't.
They
Those
weren't
aren't
worth
worth
much,
anything, right?
yeah. But the prices may be up on the market by now. But they weren't worth a ton.
Getting closer to Christmas.
Smushies. We've sold these for like $34.99. Original price was 40 bucks on them, so that's a good buy.
A lot of brand new Shimmer dolls. 2 different ones.
Some more Smushies. Mighty Beans, and it's brand new.
Yeah, dude, everything looks brand new.
Everything looks, I mean, this is really nice stuff. Hackathon, kind of like when Chris plays basketball, that's all he does is hack you.
I can't play basketball.
I know, exactly, that's why he hacks you. Speech Breaker, some cool stuff, little board games here.
Incredibles too.
Check this out, is it new?
No.
It's not new.
No.
Dang, I was hoping, that would have been really nice find there.
The bags may not be all open.
Yeah, we'll see, I mean, right now, bags are sealed, so we'll go through, we'll see if they're sealed. No one cares about the box.
Yeah.
Well, not everyone cares about the box.
At the end of the day, you're gonna take the toy out.
Yup. More Speech Breakers.
Oh, here you go. That one's probably new.
So this one's brand new. So that's a nice one, Spider-Man. Just a little damage in the box. We'll be able to sell that on eBay. That'd be good money.
Actually, we got these and they don't look like they're broke this time.
The arms aren't ripped off.
No, it looks like everything's still there. We've gotten these before and they've been pretty much destroyed. We have to send them to the auction every time.
Yeah, that's good money, that stuff. Watermelon game. It might have been open. No, it hasn't been open.
Got another one too.
Yeah, I think so. Stone 8. You know, these used to be, I've seen them on tons of sites. Originally 60 bucks, so down to $12 on Amazon.
Wow.
Yeah, so if you're buying these up, they're not worth anything. Maybe they'll jump in price, I doubt it. Speech Breaker, more Mighty Beans.
We got one of those Bumblebee helmets. That's
We just sold them
Bluetooth.
for 65 bucks.
Yeah, this one actually looks new. Got a little package wear, so we'll probably have to sell it online or maybe be able to pop that out.
Maybe we'll do 60 bucks on it then, if we're gonna sell it here. More Speech Breaker, I can't even say it.
Dude, I really
Word
want
of
to buy
Nintendo?
this and wear it around the building. Can I?
Yeah, if you wanna buy it. Hackathon. So far, everything has been new.
Pretty new.
I just sent these in.
More Pimple Pete.
I just sent those in. Those are cool. Nella, the shield. We'll be able to send all this stuff right in.
And small collector's packs, minifigures. Nella to go with that as well. Just want to throw that over there.
Another Nella.
And you said we already have quite a few of these.
We got a ton of these.
The hackathons.
Yeah, so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them.
They're all brand new.
Here's a Star Trek. Beam me up, Scotty.
I think we have that too already.
They're like $30 at the time I last looked. Temple Pete. And new, just a little bit of package wear.
Yeah.
So those are $50. That Playful Pup, we sent those in.
Yeah. It's got original tape on it.
I haven't heard of this is Top Wing.
So when we say original tape, you can see the seals haven't even been broke on it, which is really nice.
This is brand new, original tape on it. Original price is $24.99. If it's a discontinued item, it might be worth $30-40. Otherwise, it should be close to that $24.99.
Wow, we got another Legends, and the Build-A-Figure piece is actually still there.
No one stole it this time.
No one stole it this time.
Very
awesome.
nice. Spin Master box. So what's in here? It's gonna be new. It's those Party Pop Teenies. We might just sell this whole box together. There's a lot of 4, and we got more, so maybe we'll do a bigger lot. So that's what's inside this box.
Actually, well, we might be able to do a couple lots of 4. Cause
Oh
we
yeah,
have more.
there's some more.
Yeah,
There it is.
right there, 2 lots of 4.
2 lots of 4. And you're gonna save on shipping by combining your merchandise. Some bunchems are worth pretty good money. This is new, just a little bit of package wear on it, but it is new.
Whole case of Hatchimals, or Tamagotchis, not Hatchimals.
Tamagotchi.
What are Hatchimals?
The eggs.
The eggs.
The eggs.
Have we ever
Aquaman.
Look to see if we can send these.
Oh, I'll have to check. Crate creatures. Nothing special there. We usually lots of crate creatures once we get enough of them, and they sell pretty well. Some more hackathons. A lot of hackathons. It must not have been a big seller. What is that cool thing? Polly Pocket?
Polly Pocket, brand new playset.
That's pretty sweet.
Very nice.
Some more
Not missing any
speech
figures
and
or anything. Yeah, so definitely doesn't seem like customer returns. Definitely.
Definitely not. Definitely not. So I would say, I mean, this is some pretty good stuff. What, like 95% of it's new overstock?
Yeah, I don't really think we haven't even thrown
Another
anything
Stone
in
8.
the auction pile yet.
I
so-
put one thing in there.
Oh.
That's it. So we have another My Little Pony. This box has some wear to it. I know they're not worth a lot. What it's worth we may get at the auction. So I'm gonna put one in the auction. Some Lego. This one is open, ripped open. This one's gonna go into the auction. They're not worth that small. I freaking love those things.
I know.
They're so awesome.
It's funny, I can't help but make the face when I actually squeeze the damn thing.
I know. Marvel Avengers, complete. It's a little bit of package wear, but nothing that can pop out. We just sent that. It was like $24.99.
A whole bunch of these hackathons. You said these aren't worth really anything?
Last I checked, they weren't, but we'll ship them off. These are cool. We've sold these before. These guys talk. They're like $25 a piece once we ship them. Squishy human body. Look at that thing. I feel like this would just be worth going through and playing with it.
Yeah, we never sold those. We still have a ton on the shelf.
Yeah.
More of the My Little Ponies.
That's nasty. That's nasty.
It feels weird, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The
Like this.
intestines in there.
You guys could touch this. I mean, it's some nasty stuff. And we'll be able to send this in. So that's a neat thing. think it was like $19 or $21.99 when we last sent it in.
Bugs Kitchen, it's kind of damaged. Usually if you get board games in,
Hackathon.
they're not really worth too much. So package damage, stuff like that. We'll usually send them to the auction unless it's some real big major game that's out there. Most of the time your board games aren't worth too much.
Fisher Price. Both brand new. Not a ton of money, but might be something there. Descendants 3. This package is open. The daughters would like that one, so I'm gonna set that one right over here.
We're 2 for 2 on the Legends and the Build-A-Figure in there.
Man, nice.
Very nice.
Nice.
Actually, these two have the same set Build-A-Figure.
Baby Alive. So that's $24.99. And then we have another one of Elastigirl. So we'll be able to send her in, and she's brand new. Pretty cool. That's one of them blow up things.
Yeah, the seal's off of it. We might have to look and make sure everything's there. Might not be worth it. You don't know if there's a hole in there. Might not blow up. Might not retain it.
Never know. And if it's new though, the last ones we got, the red ones, sold for $44.99 each online.
Yeah, it's definitely not new.
Another Marvel Legends, brand new with the Build-A-Figure.
Nice.
Yeah, so we're 3 for 3 now. That's pretty rare if that happens. Paw Patrol Ultimate, we'll be able to send that in. And then these cool things, this Who's That Girl? We lot these, and they sell really well in lots. Yeah,
they're really good.
You know, you're looking at $10 a piece. You know, it would normally cost you around $3 to ship one. Combine them, and you're still around $3, and you'll increase your profit that way. Yes.
Fire Dragon Sword.
This is freaking sweet.
You're not allowed to hit me in the face with it.
Oh man, this thing's awesome. Oh, look at the end is tore on it.
There you go. Improve your facial features.
Yeah, if I could become Spider-Man, shoot. I thought these made noises, yeah.
Spider-Man is at your service.
Oh yeah.
Kingpin is not a nice person.
Brand new.
Aren't they supposed to have things over this?
Sorry, what's that?
The eye covers?
Would I lack an experience?
Yeah, it looks like it's supposed to.
Well, it's tossing the auction. I mean, right now, we're at 95% of it still new. A ton of this is gonna go right online. You know, for only having $345 in this pallet.
Home run.
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna easily double, maybe even triple the money on it once we get through. And a lot of this stuff we're not even gonna have to deal with. We're just gonna send it right online. And I mean, this whole pallet's almost empty as it is. There's not much left down here. Little crybaby, little toy, Five Nights at Freddy's, and then here's a Fortnite figure. I'll look him up. Maybe he'll be like $10 possibly, and then we'll send him right online. Powertrain.
Exploding Kittens, but the puzzle box is open. Send it to the auction. You don't know if it's missing a couple pieces. Last thing you want is the customer get a puzzle they can't complete.
Yeah, I've never seen the Shazam figure. There it is.
Oh wow.
It might be something rare. You never
That's
know. We'll have to look him up. It's actual Freddy.
Yeah.
So probably an uncommon figure, I would think.
More of the selfie mask. Has box damage. We'll set this aside and see if maybe we can find more of them and lot them. We still have 8 pallets to go through, 9 pallets.
10 more pallets after this one.
Incorrect. 10 more pallets.
Incorrect, good sir.
And that's the end of it.
So the entire pallet's completely empty. This sounds like it's been opened. Now it's bothering me. It's bothering me.
Or we could just set it aside.
He's missing. He's not even in here. So, box is empty. There's a couple, just his accessories that are in there. And then the last thing is that little unicorn. So the box is empty. I'll flip you guys around so you can check it out. A lot of cool stuff on this shipment. And this pallet, I don't know why I always say it. So, there you go. A ton of stuff that's gonna go right online. And then, you know, pallet's completely empty. And that's what's going to the auction. One tote. I would say probably 80% of this stuff will just go right to Amazon. We don't even need to do anything with it.
Makes life a lot easier. Just take the stickers off.
Yeah, for sure. So that's what we got, guys, for the first pallet of toys. I mean, that's pretty crazy. It's going to be a good deal.
English, use
Yeah,
your words.
I need that speech breaker.
Right.
That's what I feel like I'm playing right now. But we'll be back. We'll get this stuff taken care of and move on to the next pallet. But man, so far, really good find. And it was, again, customer returns.
Yeah. Customer returns is not
A lot of times you can save yourself a ton of money by buying customer returns versus buying overstock, grade A, brand new, because it's usually not that big of a difference.
Yeah, something like this, if it was grade A, we usually pay what?
You'd probably double what at least doubled. Maybe, you know, this one pallet, if it was grade A listed, you might have paid
Like $800?
$800 to $1,000 per pallet, and we just got it for $345. And that included shipping.
Nice.
Pretty crazy.
Right.
Pretty crazy.
Nice.
Yeah. So we'll be back.